Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the Cell Guide. Today we're diving into a solution-packed guide on a frustrating issue many iPad Pro users encounter, the intermittent charging problem. Intermittent charging refers to a situation where the iPad Pro experiences irregular or inconsistent behavior while charging. Instead of a steady and continuous charging process, the device may exhibit disruptions in the charging process, such as sudden stops and starts. We're here to help you fix this. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's what you need to do to fix an iPad Pro that is charging intermittently. First, check your charging cable. Using the right charging cable can make all the difference. Not only does it ensure a reliable and safe charging experience, but it also safeguards your device's battery life in the long run. Carefully inspect your cable for any damage, wiggle the cable and connectors while charging to check for any loosening or inconsistent connection. Replace your charging cable if it seems damaged in any way. Only use authentic Apple Lightning cables for reliable performance. Second, check the charging port. Dirt, debris, and even bent connectors in your charging port can all disrupt the charging process. Use a toothpick or a soft bristle brush to gently clean out any dust or debris that may have collected in your iPad's charging port. Clear out any lint, dirt, or gunk that could be obstructing a solid connection with the charging cable. Be very careful not to damage the pins in the port while cleaning. Third, update the iPad Pro software. Sometimes software bugs can interfere with normal charging. Updating to the latest software version can often resolve intermittent charging issues. Fourth, test different chargers. Try using your iPad with different chargers, including high wattage options and the charger that came with your device. Use a wall adapter rather than a computer USB port for charging. If your iPad charges fine with certain chargers but not others, the issue is likely with the faulty chargers. Test different cables as well. Finally, if all the previous troubleshooting steps fail to fix the issue, then it's time to get your iPad battery serviced. Have Apple or an authorized service center replace the battery if it's showing diminished capacity. A fresh battery should allow your iPad to charge correctly again. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of charging mysteries and solutions. If you found these tips and insights helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below